Good evening. Today is Friday, December 29, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Shore 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under LAC 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, December 29, 2023. Here are the SL Shore 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading Supply Corporation for December 29, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for evening of Friday, December 29, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.